One who knows everything. Omniscient. One who speaks less. Reticent. One who believes in God. Theist. A person over 100 years old. Centenarian. One who loves mankind. Philanthropist. One who can't pay debts. Insolvent. One who knows many languages. Polyglot. Indifferent to pleasure and pain. Stoic. Sees bright side of things. Optimist. One who eats too much. Glutton. A list of books. Catalog. Unreadable handwriting. Illegible. People of same era. Contemporaries. One who believes in fate. Fatalist. Sees dark side of things. Pessimist. Hard to please person. Fastidious. Book by unknown author. Anonymous. Book by unknown author. Anonymous. Fit to be eaten. Edible. What is the one-word substitute for unpaid work? Honorary. Someone who can't read or write. Illiterate. One who gives to charity. Philanthropist. One who talks too much. Talkative. One who never makes mistakes. Infallible. One who is present everywhere. Omnipresent.